How to change region on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you the way that you can change your region on your Netflix. The only way that you can change your Netflix region is by connecting to a VPN, because you wouldn't see an option within the app of Netflix. You just need to download a VPN onto your phones, or you can also download it to your desktops if you're using the desktop version. You can download something like Proton VPN, free to use VPN, and it has 3 connections: Japan, Netherlands, and the United States. If you want more flexibility while connecting to different locations, then you'll need to download a paid VPN, or you can also subscribe to the Proton VPN. It also has a paid plan. You just connect to a server on VPN. Once the connection is secured, you can open up your Netflix app and just refresh your Netflix app, or you can just close it off and then open it again. This way you'll be able to search up movies or series that were previously not available on your region. So that was a video on how to change your location or region on your Netflix app. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.